First, gently crack an egg into a bowl. Heat a pat of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Swirl the melted butter to coat the pan evenly. Carefully slide the egg from the bowl into the heated pan. Cook slowly for about 3 to 4 minutes. The whites should be set, but the yolk still runny. If desired, cover the pan briefly for a more thoroughly cooked white. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Use a spatula to gently lift the egg from the pan. Place the perfectly fried egg on a plate. Serve immediately and enjoy the golden, runny yolk. A simple delight, perfectly cooked every time.